in crypto, want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit that like, hit that subscribe, because we're going on a ride. How's everyone doing this morning? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Talking about Bitcoin this morning, focusing on what's really going on. Everyone was excited, right? After the anticipation was real. We've been talking about January 10th, perhaps this price booms when the spot Bitcoin ETF is approved. Perhaps buy the rumor, sell the news, the price is already priced in. Well, to be honest, if you pay attention to the charts, if you really, and I hate that word, to be honest, that phrase is awful. Let's always be honest, but Bitcoin was around 42,000, 44,000. I don't have the charts in front of me to clarify, but let's think about this logically. The price went up when the spot Bitcoin ETF was approved, but we were already pumped from about the 20,000 area all the way to this 42,000. Now, we did wind up maxing out almost 48,000 Bitcoin. Now, what's funny is our target was 48,000 Bitcoin when we were trading this price we were talking about. So our TA is on point. I don't care what anyone says. The videos are proof. Everything shows you what we said. It's money. 48,000, huge resistance level. That was iconic. What's happening now is we're getting boring sideways action. We could get one more manipulation to the downside, but it's not going to be that drastic of a threat. So I believe that dollar cost averaging from this point on is going to be a solid method. I just wanted to talk about it, update. A lot of big institutional investors got in for the first time and are now finally feeling what we all felt. We bought at the top and we're getting a correction and we're sitting here watching our money dwindle. Well, now the big guys are doing it, and they're like, what the fuck is going on? I'll tell you what's going on. We're getting a correction, and they're trying to get you out by making the price fall, making you think you're going to get in a better entry. You're not. It's not going to go much lower. Just enough to upset you and see your money go down. Yes, it's going to keep doing that. Now, boring sideways action is an also great move, because what happens is it's not going up, it's not going down, and from the little bit amount of money that you lost when you got in the top there, you're still thinking about that loss. So this is what happens. Now, Bitcoin ain't moving. Well, guess what? The second one of these suckers get out, that price is going to rally so high, and we'll retest 48,000 over and over until it finally breaks. This is how it works. When Bitcoin 48,000 resistance breaks, guess what? New all-time highs for the year and for this trend. Until that happens, we are stuck in limbo. And unfortunately, to tell you, it's most likely going to hit 48K again. And guess what? We're going to get a rejection because it's very, very common. It's very unlikely that you will test a resistance price such as 48K, get a huge drastic fall, and the second time we touch it, we break through. Now, it could happen. The volume, the FOMO, everything is solid. We have a lot of big new investors in this space. But my point is we need to start focusing on the altcoins. Why? All of these new investors are educating themselves. BlackRock, Fidelity, Kathy Wood's ARK Investment. They're all learning about Bitcoin. What do you think happens in 2023 when they're fucking completely learn, well, bad English, but when they're completely educated in Bitcoin, how it works, how it runs, they're going to go just like we all did. Well, what's the next Bitcoin? There's going to be meetings like that. There's going to be companies getting together just like we do in our own little group. And they're going to want to know. But the problem is it's going to be too late for them. They're going to be asking, what's the next Polygon? What's the next Solana? What's the next Ethereum? What's the next Cardano? We're already getting into these Solana, Cardanos. These are the next Bitcoin Ethereums. So the layer 2 projects, or the next level projects such as, right? We used to always be Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? They were the only two assets to talk about. Litecoin, these were the guys to talk about. Now all of a sudden we got Cardano, we got Polygon, we got Solana, then we got all these 2 million bullshit shit coins afterwards. Let's focus on the main guys. Solana's very important. Why can't that go to 1,000? It already went up to halfway there. It already showed its potential in the last bull run. And guess what? It's outperforming a lot of crypto assets so far this past 12 months. It's going to continue, is my point. So start paying close attention. Watch some of the videos. We talked about XRP, XDC, Algorand, XLM. These are some really, really big names that you might not be paying attention to because you're not educated in the space long enough. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Why? Because we're going on a ride. And damn, hopefully we're going to the moon, and hopefully we're going soon. Have a great day.